All right, we're at Baylor University Medical Center parking garage number 10. And these are the 2002 LG Sigma elevators, the very rare kind here in Texas. Anyways, let's ride. Here we go. The call button is upside down. You going up, ma'am?
Yes.
Your floor?
2. Thank you.
You're welcome.
With one of the other little people.
All right, well, you have a great rest of the day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, I love that chime. These are the rare Sigma elevators here at the Baylor University parking garage in Dallas, Texas. All right, now watch this as the door opens. You get an amazing view of the Dallas skyline on a beautiful clear blue sky. This is awesome, y'all. These are Sigma elevators. These are LG Sigma, manufactured by Otis, in case you guys are wondering, which is why I showed my Otis globe in the beginning of the video, because Sigma was basically a Korean company of Otis elevator. There's an Adams call cancel. Oh, lights up, look at this. Interesting. The call cancel button lights up. Well, that's nice. I wonder what kind of fixtures these are. I'm not sure. I know the alarm button is Adams. I'm not going to touch that, but it's got to be some sort of rare Adams kind fixtures. I don't know. I'll take it for another ride. Oh. We'll get a view up here. There is the Texas A&M School of Dentistry that Alex Stack has filmed, which unfortunately you have to have a car to get in. But look at this view of the downtown skyline. Look at this, y'all. Isn't this just beautiful? I need to take some pictures up here. These are some rare Sigma elevators. And I think it just left. Still got the same elevator car. I think I'm just gonna, you know what? I think I might get the left elevator car. The chime is also pretty rare too. The up lantern does not light up, but it does ring though. Looks like that button is falling out. See, this says up, says down. That the call button's definitely flipped upside down. I might take a quick ride on this one. Is the left elevator car even working? Goodness, that door sounds rough. I mean, not rough, but the door is squealing so obnoxiously. Get the left elevator car because I want to see the much better view of the Dallas skyline. The door seriously needs work. I have to mash down the button or I get it to work. They really need work. That door operator. Oh, the left elevator car is down. Oh, okay. Okay, I did not realize that. We'll take it for one more ride. And it wants to shut quick, too. This time we'll sample the lantern. I'm actually going to end the video up here because I want to take some pictures of this beautiful skyline. So, with that being said, that was the ride on the rare Sigma elevators at Baylor University Medical Center Garage. I'm not going to do all the other elevators because I'm not going to do the hospital elevators at BUMC because I don't want to risk getting confronted. Oh, there's a TKE truck. Nice. Because it's a hospital and I don't want to take that risk for safety. And Alex Saki de Berglus has already got tons of videos over there already, so I'm not going to waste my time filming at that hospital. But here is a grand view of the Dallas skyline. Look at this view. It is beautiful. So this is where we're going to end the video, by looking at the view of. It is absolutely beautiful, y'all. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it with a view of the Dallas skyline. Thanks for watching, and oh, it's getting windy. Okay, that's it.